It's this game. It's a children's game. It's a card game, but a very simple game. And it's this little timer, and there is some little blocks there. They have pips on them and blank spaces, pieces of picture cards and all that. Now with these blocks, you can make any playing card. You sort of guess the game what it is. It's you just point to a card, just point to one. It doesn't matter which one, is not so important. This one, okay, yes. Good. Now, while he was still busy turning the timer, I had already finished. Same timer and some blocks.